welcome back to my channel, guys. This feels surreal. I've not actually sat down in front of my camera for at least about 2 months. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name's Tara. So here on my channel, it's related to beauty, anything related to beauty, whether it's makeup, hair stuff, body care, skincare, all that kind of jazz, and some hauls are thrown into the mix as well. So it's a big variety here on my channel, and if that is something that you feel like tickles your fancy, then please click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a video. And let's get into today's video. So I decided I wanted to treat myself because we've been literally up in the air for the last few months. I've had to downsize my beauty station. I had a whole beauty room, and now obviously we're living in a 1-bedroom lodge, so that's out the window. But for the moment I'm just chilling out in the living room. I've literally just took Maisie for a walk. It's absolutely chucking it down. Tony's gone fishing for 2 days, so I'm like, I've got peace and quiet, because living with your partner, working with them, as much as I love him, Anyway, so I hope you're all doing well. I've missed you all so much, and I just thought that I would bring back a very goodie but an oldie video, which is one of my favourite ones to do because I always get excited. And obviously I'm talking about a mystery bag. So I picked this one up from Danny DeFreitas. If you don't know who he is, I'll pop him down below. He is absolutely amazing. So basically I either get them from Danny DeFreitas, these mystery bags, or I'll get them from X Tweely. I'll pop her channel down below as well. And basically they have so much PR sent to them that they do these giveaway bundle bags. Twee does them for £50. I went on her website and they are totally sold out. So I hopped over to Danny's because I flipped between the two. His £25 bags were sold out. His £50 bags were sold out. I got a big boy for £120. There are 16 plus items in these bags. High-end products to low-end products. They range from makeup products, hair products and skincare products. That's all the things that I love. So grab yourself a cup of tea, grab yourself a snack, and let's dive into this bag because I'm as excited as you are. Have a little nosy peek at what's inside this bag. So we've got something from Simple, this little serum. So this is the Simple 10% vitamin C, E and F. I always love a good serum. So it's just there on the back of my hand. Oh, it feels really nice and moisturising. Doesn't really smell of anything, like a zesty orangey smell to it, but it doesn't smell really of anything. So that's the first product. I will put all prices on screen for each individual price, and then we'll tally it up at the end and see how much it is. So the bag was, what I paid was 120. Let's see if it exceeds that or it's below that. Pause the video now, put it down in the comments, put a timestamp, and let's see if you're right at the end. Let's play a little game. So the next product is this from Pixie. So this is the Stain Lip Tint, and it's in Adore. Some of these products, by the way, as well, if you do decide to get one of these bags, some of these products have been lightly swatched, been tested probably in a video or something, but that doesn't really bother me. But if it bothers you, then it might not be the bags for you. This looks like it's not even been touched anyway. Oh, that's a really gorgeous summer corally shade. We're getting into the good stuff. So I've got a glow recipe. I've got a bit of a glow recipe. I love glow recipe. I've only ever tried like little sample size of glow recipe, but they're one of my favorite products, like brands, sorry. Oh, I love glow recipe. It just feels so nice. Again, it's got no scent to it. Oh my god. So this is their glow recipe watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. So really happy with that. God, I was looking at this. I was actually looking at this online the other day and wanted to purchase it. It's their new Sol Janeiro After Hours body mist. Oh, that smells just like a sexy man. I'm actually into that. That just smells bloody gorgeous. So we have something from Milk Makeup. What is there? So it's meant to make my brows look gorgeous like this. I really hope it does. Like on the hunt for a good brow like gel. So we've got a Milk brow gel, a brand called Sand and Sky. Never heard of this brand before, and it's a Tasmanian spring water, hyaluronic acid, squalene. Always get that word mixed up. Intense hydrating mask. I love a good hydrating mask, especially because I've got really dry skin, so I can't wait to try that out. So we've got a product from Elf, guys. This is their full coverage, long lasting, dewy finish, light 280, natural warm undertones. I'm hoping that that is going to be a good shade for me. 280. This looks like it's not even been opened or touched. No, because look, it's just taking a while to pump out, so it's not even been tested or anything. We're way too dark for me. But I've got a foundation at the moment that's way too light. So I've literally just bought myself some makeup removal pads. And these are from Kiehl's. And it's in a little bougie bag, which is ideal for travelling. Facial pads. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 facial pads. Because I love using these to like cleanse and wash my makeup off. So I'm really happy with them, and I've just ordered some off Amazon that are coming today. I've also ordered off Amazon some strip lashes, duo glue, and what else did I order off Amazon? Oh, and some eyebrow tint, because I need to be tinting my brows. Oh, you guys know I love a good face mask, and this one is called Egg Cream Mask. So coconut water and egg yolk extract, and it hydrates the skin. Single use microfiber sheet. Too cool for school face mask. Definitely going to be doing a at home self-care day coming soon. Pending, guys, pending. We've got a Huda Beauty product here, guys. So this is their liquid matte liquid lipstick, and it's in the shade Cheerleader. Definitely feel like that's going to be, oh, that is going to be a gorgeous autumn shade. How bloody gorgeous is that? Kylie Jenner product. Guys, this shade's going to be perfect for me. Oh my god, I can't wait. Yeah, that shade is going to be absolutely perfect for me, so I'm so happy. We got a Kylie bronzer in the shade Kiki. Huda Beauty One Coat Wow. This is her new mascara, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to try that out. That looks gorgeous. I love when the wand's like that, really nice and thick wand. I'm being spoiled with the high-end products in here, guys. So we've got a Fenty Beauty.
I've already got this product.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I got the original. That is going to be the ultimate summer colour. Oh, that looks pretty. That's going to be my new spring summer lip gloss. We have another Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. So this is their watermelon glow pink juicy moisturizer. Definitely going to be doing a testing video on all of these products. So we've got another Kylie Jenner product, and this one is Kylie Cosmetics Precision Pout Lip Liner, and it's in Laurie 123 Laurie, I think that's the shade. Ooh, it's a very nice chocolate nude. So we've got a nice Too Faced product. This is their lip injection lip glosser. Ooh, the lip injection from Too Faced is like really potent. But she's so pretty. Yeah, look at it. How stinking cute is that packaging? That's cute packaging at its finest. It smells like cherries. It smells like bloody cherries. Oh my god, that's going to be gorgeous in the summer as well. That is just going to be stunning in the summer. Look how juicy and just glossy that is. Oh, love it. Absolutely bloody love it, darling. Bloody love it, darling. Oh, we've got an Illamasqua black card waterproof liquid liner. Oh, that's very, very pigmented. Love that. So obviously I probably haven't got enough for a full face, but I've got some other products that I haven't shown you guys, and we can just have a little play with some makeup in the next video, because it's been a while since I've actually sat down and played with any makeup. I mean, my makeup just looks like this on a regular basis. Like, I've not played with any makeup, and I love just sitting down playing with makeup, because it's literally like therapy for me. So we've got this from Kevyn Aucoin, and it's their Sensual Skin Primer. Ooh, what's sensual about it? Very, very sleek packaging. That looks very, very nice. Moisturizing. Again, no smell to it. So this one's from Rimmel, so it's a drugstore brand, and it's called Thrill Seeker Classy Gloss. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, it smells coconutty. Ooh, that looks really, really juicy. Like it's gonna make my lips juicy, honey, juicy. So another Fenty Beauty, and this is the shadow stick. Ooh, and it's in the shade golden hips. Oh, she's very pretty. We'll have to do a look with that, guys, because that is pretty. So we've got this product from NARS, and it's the Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil. Like I say, we've got a lot of lip products in the bag, which I'm not complaining about, because I do like a lip product. Ooh, she looks pretty. Very nice brownie mauvey colour. Very, very like creamy. The texture is like really nice and creamy. So I do be liking that very, very much. Just got 2 products left now, guys. I have this from Milani. I love Milani products. They're so nice. Baked highlighter, but I'll probably use that as a blush topper, which is called Dulce Perla in 110. Not even been touched. Ooh, she pretty though. She's so pretty. How stinking bloody pretty is that? It's like the perfect pinky blue toned blush topper. It's an eyeshadow palette. We have an eyeshadow palette. So this is eyeshadow palette Kosas Underdress. It's clean eyeshadow palette in 8 neutral but hotter shades that heat up your lids. Wear it how you feel it. Oh, honey, I will. And in this, again, looks like it's not even been opened. Very sleek, very travel friendly. It has like a little mirror in there as well, and it's literally got all the neutral shades that you could possibly ask for. It is cute. So guys, that is everything in my Danny DeFreitas mystery bag. So we got an eyeshadow palette, we got a liquid eye pencil, a face mask, an eyeshadow stick from Fenty, a Milk brow gel, a Huda Beauty mascara, a Too Faced lip gloss, an e.l.f. foundation, a Kylie bronzer, a Huda Beauty matte lipstick, a Fenty lip gloss, Sol Janeiro body spray, a Kylie Jenner lip pencil, a Rimmel lip gloss, a Glow Recipe moisturizer, a Kevyn Aucoin primer, a Glow Recipe niacinamide gel, a simple serum, a Pixie lip gloss, a Too Cool for School face mask, some Kiehl's face wash mitts, a Milani blush topper, a NARS lipstick, and finally a NARS lip pencil. Oh my god, guys, I've been well and truly spoiled. I absolutely love all those products in the bag. I will be testing some of them on TikTok, doing a little bit of TikToks on them. I'll also do a full face of new makeup, new impression makeup, things that I've been loving, new things that I've been trying out. So that'll probably be in my next video. And yeah, that's everything, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, really helps out my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you get updated every time that I upload a video. And I will see you in the next one, and hopefully it won't be as long as the last ones you've been waiting for, guys. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.